Well, hi there. Where am I going with my canoe, you might ask? To Assembly 2016, hashtag the Covenant Crew, of course. What's the Covenant Crew? Let me tell ya. Hashtag the Covenant Crew is the awesome theme we've got for our youth programming at Assembly 2016. And here in Saskatoon, we are busy getting ready to host you. Hashtag the Covenant Crew is an invitation. Throughout history, God has been inviting us to come on board his ship and be a part of his kingdom. It's also an invitation to join us July 6 to 10 in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan for Assembly 2016. So make sure to check out the Assembly 2016 hashtag the Covenant Crew Facebook and Instagram pages. We are getting really excited about hosting you here in Saskatoon. Tally ho! Oh no, the sign! Hi, pretty girl.